Hello Sabiko, welcome back to my channel Informatica. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. And in this video, I am going to talk regarding what are the documents that you should keep ready before your onboarding or offer letter. So first of all, as you know, you might be from 2022 batches or 2023 batches who are waiting for their offer letter. And yes, it's a great or a peak time for 2022-2023 batches for their onboarding. Like it's May, around mid of May, and in May, June, July, August, September actually onboarding happened for various service IT industry as well as big four as well as many startups and big product based company. As you all know, this is the phase where your 8th semester come to end, and like मई के एंड में आपकी 8th सेमेस्टर खत्म हो जाती है एंड आफ्टर दैट अप्रैल मई में खत्म होती है, तो उसके बाद आपको ऑनबोर्डिंग मिलती है. तो इसके लिए आप लोगों को क्या करना है, बहुत सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स है जो प्री रेडी रखना पड़ता है. So what are the things that you should definitely take care of before onboarding to any of the service IT company, big four, product or anything? I will be talking regarding this. So first of all, before starting the video, I'd like to introduce myself. First of all, I am an IT guy, and yes, I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, interview experience, technology experience, company switching experience, campus to corporate experience, and lots more things. So if you think that this video is little bit also informative for you, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe and share it among your friend group. And yes, subscribe दबा ही देना. मे बी सब वीडियोस आपके सेगमेंट के नहीं होंगे, बट मल्टीपल वीडियोस जो होंगे आपके सेगमेंट के होंगे. देयर आर मोर देन 350 plus videos on my channel that may be helping you all out. So first of all, let's start the video now. So starting the video with what are the documents that you should keep ready. So first of all, PAN. As you know, many of the company on the initial recruitment process only they ask for PAN, like Accenture and all. But yes, many of the company don't. But yes, it's a very important document that you should keep ready at least before onboarding. Otherwise, there will be a lots of problem for you in getting your salary credited. बहुत ही important होता है, baseline है whenever you are joining into any of the corporate. After that, few other things that are either done by you or sometimes it's done by your company HR. Like you, I would be not confusing you keeping this in the second point. Let's keep another thing. Passport. I would recommend each and everyone who are joining any IT service industry or a big four or any product based company, keep your passport ready now. ऐसे तो 15 दिन में बन जाती है. It only takes 15 to 20 days in order to get your passport completed. But I would recommend you, like it's a free time for you, try to complete it, keep it ready. It will not cost you more than 1500. Okay, just go to a basic plan, create a passport and keep it ready, because it's like that. Yes, I can accept that 1-2 साल में तो ऑन साइट नहीं जाते बहुत लोग, बट मैंने ऐसे केस देखे हैं 21 पास आउट बैच 22 में भी ऑन साइट गए. सो अब ठीक है, 1000 आउट ऑफ 1 केस है, बट इट मे बी यू, आप भी हो सकते हो, एंड मार्केट सिनारियो पे कुछ भी हो सकता है. So I am recommending, it's actually required also whenever you will be filling for any of the project, they will be definitely asking that what's your passport number, till when it's valid, when it's going to expire, everything they will be asking. So first thing, PAN card should be definitely you should definitely keep your PAN card ready. Second, keep your passport ready. अब आप पूछोगे कि यार बैंक अकाउंट को भी अभी से खुला के बैठ जाए. So I would recommend नहीं मत खुलवाओ अभी, because whenever you will be joining after onboarding, they will be giving you a 3-4 day times along with their tie-up bank's contact number where you can contact and yes, create your bank account, and that will be helpful for you. In order to, what I can say, to get your सैलरी क्रेडिटेड. और वो मतलब कि अगर आपके पास होगा तब भी चलेगा, अदरवाइज यू कैन क्रिएट इट इन जस्ट 2-3 days. इन अ वीक यू विल गेट योर कार्ड्स एंड ऑल. सो दैट्स इट्स योर चॉइस कि अभी करना है या नहीं, मतलब बाद में करो, क्योंकि बहुत बार कंपनी रिकमेंड करती है इन विच सिटी यू आर. लाइक इफ यू आर इन चेन्नई, इफ यू आर इन बैंगलोर, यू हैव योर अकाउंट नीड टू बी इन दैट सिटी ओनली. सो उसको अभी इग्नोर कर सकते हो. आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग यू कैन डू दैट. दे विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू सम कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट. यू जस्ट नीड टू कॉल देम एंड दे विल बी ओपनिंग along with your offer letter, your account number, account details and all. So third, बैंक अकाउंट बोल दिया मैं, पैन कार्ड बोला, पासपोर्ट बोला. ये तीनों तो एकदम ही मैंडेटरी है. आधार तो अब सबके पास होगा, दैट्स तो मतलब कि उसके बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकता. ये 4 डॉक्यूमेंट रेडी रखना. आफ्टर दैट, कॉलेज की प्रोविजनल सर्टिफिकेट. whenever you are joining, they are giving you some 30, 60, 90 days depending upon the company to submit your provisional मार्कशीट ऑफ ऑल द सेमेस्टर लाइक फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ सिक्स सेवन्थ एट ऑल द सेमेस्टर की जो प्रोविजनल मार्कशीट है वो आपको 60 डेज से 30 डेज 90 डेज की टाइम देंगे विद मीन्स व्हाट इज देयर एलिजिबिलिटी यू नीड टू क्लियर दैट एंड सबमिट दोज प्रोविजनल टू देम. So try to get it from your college as soon as possible. College also know this kind of thing and they try to provide you early only, but I would suggest keep this ready. This is also a very important document. तो 4 पॉइंट मैं ले लिया. पैन कार्ड उठा लेना, आधार उठा लेना, पासपोर्ट उठा लेना, बैंक अकाउंट तो मैं बताया डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर कंपनी यू नीड टू डिसाइड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू नीड टू डू. प्रोविजनल सर्टिफिकेट, कीप योर 10th and 12th मार्कशीट रेडी ऑल्सो, दैट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर background verification along with the government ID. Okay, 10th 12th mark sheet is very much important. After that they might be taking some of the affidavit like of bond or about their requirement that you need to complete your notary over there. So that's the secondary thing. They will be giving you a time for that 10 days before. They will be expecting you that you should complete this. So all this document you should definitely keep in mind whenever you are entering into any of the service IT industry, whether it be service IT or a big four or any of the product based company in service IT industry. पासपोर्ट अभी नहीं है टाइम तो जाके बना लो यार, ऑनलाइन प्रोसेस है, बहुत ही जल्दी बन जाएगा. व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, जस्ट विजिट योर द पासपोर्ट साइट. ओवर देयर यू हैव टू रजिस्टर, फिल अप सम बेसिक जनरल क्वेश्चन along with a payment of 1500. They will be scheduling a meeting with you in a nearest passport office. You just need to go there and yes, provide the details and give your verification over there, and after that they will be processing. In 1 to 7 days you will be receiving your passport. It's not a big deal. पैन कार्ड के लिए भी ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन है. either you fill it by yourself or you can find any of the CA who can fill for you, but yes, you can fill it online only. You will be receiving your PAN card also in a very 15 or 20 days or maximum by month in your home. So ये सब important है जो करके रखो, because at the end it will be creating a pressure कि documents अभी नहीं है. So provisional and all, तो जब तक एग्जाम खत्म नहीं होगी, रिजल्ट पब्लिश नहीं होगी, तब तक सारे मार्क्स शीट तो नहीं मिलेंगे और प्रोविजनल सर्टिफिकेट भी नहीं मिलेंगे. तो आई वुड रिकमेंड यू दैट यस, एग्जाम खत्म हो जाएंगे तो कॉलेज वाले ऑटोमेटिकली दे विल बी गिविंग यू. समटाइम्स दे डोंट रीच आउट टू यू, you have to reach out to them. So when you will be mailing to your this examination department, they will be helping you out. Once the examinations are over and results are out, they will be giving you a transcript as well as provisional. तो ये सारा काम करा के रखो and all will be good. I think I have covered almost all the thing, and if you think this video was little bit of also informative, I would request like subscribe कर देना. वीडियो पसंद नहीं आया, वीडियो में क्या खराब लगा कमेंट में जरूर बताना. If you think this video was something that is given you an idea that what exactly you should keep before joining or onboarding or before joining any of the company, do share it among the people who are in the verge of joining the company, 2023 batch candidate, 2022 batch candidate. Still, if you think you want to know more regarding any topic, either from college or campus to corporate or anything, you can connect me on TopMed. There is a TopMed link in my bio and also in my description box. From there you can book a seat with me of 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 45 minutes and 1 hour, where we can discuss as per your choice. You can book the seat and where we can discuss what exactly you want in with a live examples or with a real life experience of many people. So let's keep the video till here. If you think this video a little bit of also informative, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. We'll meet you soon with a new informative content. Tab tak ke liye take care and bye bye.